So it's been a while and I have been putting off doing something to my philodendron that is in my bedroom on a bookshelf. She has grown so much over the past, I would say it's been almost 2 years since I've had her. And now she's at the point to where she's trailing on the floor, but then Sweetie, who is always in here, sometimes she'll step on it and hit it with her tail a lot, and sometimes I've stepped on her as well because she is trailing on the floor. So now I'm just like, okay, I need to do something about it. I have been debating back and forth if I should put her up on a trellis or just go ahead and just propagate her, and I think I'm just gonna go ahead and propagate her, probably cut her halfway or so, propagate all those stems. And I have it in my head to have a pretty just hanging water prop wall behind me, which will see all those empty spaces. Those are usually where water propagations are. And I just have this thing in my head to where I'll just fill it with pretty glass jars of philodendron cuttings. Okay, so I'm sitting on the floor now with my plant. And then I got a little bit emotionally attached. I was like, I don't want to cut her. But I mean, I'm going to. She's super long. And one thing about me being on during this plant journey, or whatever you want to call it, I've learned that plants will grow back. They'll grow back and they'll be completely fine. So it's time to cut.